Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today's short class is to help you reset if you're feeling exhausted, tired, even burnt out. This is the class for you. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's come on to all fours. And taking a deep breath in and just feeling a gentle pull on your lower back. And we're going to stretch our arm up as we breathe in, and as you breathe out, bring it down. Bringing it up, stretching up, breathing in. Take that deep breath in and calming down. Let's do one more. Breathe in and breathe out, and just take a breath here. Stretch the other arm out, spread your fingers. Take a deep breath here. And then bring that arm up and bring it down. Let's do the other side. Take the other arm up, breathing in, look up. Breathe it out. Thread the arm through, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, thread the arm through, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, thread the arm through, stretch the other arm, stretch your fingers. Take a deep breath here. One more. Breathing deeply helps to oxygenate your body, nourishing your organs. Just taking your time here. Breathe in. Let's take the arm up and bring hands to the mat. Let's take one leg up. Bring it in front. Bringing the arms up. Coming forward, bring the arms down as you breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more, breathe in, breathe out. Taking your arms back, opening up your heart, stretching the arms up, taking the hands to the floor. Let's swap legs. Take the other leg in front and breathing in, stretching up, breathing out. Come forward, arms down, breathe in, hands up, breathe out. Come down, let's do one more. Breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands down. Taking the hands behind you, opening up your heart, your belly, your throat. Sometimes we stop speaking our truth. Oh, wobbling there. It's okay to wobble. Look at a spot in front. Breathe in, hands up. Taking the hands down. Taking the front foot back behind you. Now the other foot. Let's bring that in front. Take the other leg behind you. Just breathing in and stretching up. Breathing is really great when you feel low in energy, you feel tired, burnt out. Just taking a few deep breaths can energize the body. Now you can stay here or come down even more, or come down fully. Now remember, it's not about going down fully, it's just about going at your own pace, doing what feels comfortable. As long as you're feeling a stretch here on the hip, here, on the hip, on this side, it should be doing the trick. Okay, breathe in. And as you breathe out, come up. Let's take that leg back. Let's bring the other leg in front. And again, just staying here, opening up the throat and the heart, or coming down on your elbows, or coming all the way down, just feeling a lovely stretch on the hip here and the leg, upper thigh. Breathe, feel a lovely stretch here. One more deep breath. Remember, breathing deeply all the way to your belly helps to nourish your organs, energize the body, can really help when you're feeling low in energy. Okay, coming up, taking the leg back and then just taking the hips from side to side, maybe doing some circles one way and then the other way. Looking up as you breathe in again, deep breaths here, breathing out. Curving your spine the other way, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine. Let's do one more. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down, and then just bringing your head up slightly and just coming back. Stretching your arms in front or even bringing the hands in prayer. Really feeling the mind quietening. The body feels energized. Just take a breath here. Take your hands in front. Push yourself up. Let's come on to our backs. Bringing your knees into your chest, giving yourself a hug. It's always nice to give ourselves a hug, maybe moving from side to side or even doing some circles. Really great to do this if you've got trapped hair in the belly. You can release it and then the other way. And then taking your hands behind the knees to the calves or even to the feet. This is called Happy Baby. Really nice to have a little play here. Maybe stretching the legs one way, the other way, maybe both legs. Feeling a really lovely stretch on the back of the legs. Amazing to do after a day if you've been standing for a long period. Just really taking the weight off the legs here. One more stretch. Again, bringing the knees into the chest. One last hug. Placing the feet flat on the mat. Straightening one leg, then the other leg. And just taking a moment here for yourself. Relaxing. Breathing deeply. And saying this affirmation to help you to release any tiredness. I release feeling stuck. My energy is moving. My mind is quiet. My body relaxed. I'm going to leave you here now. Stay here. Take a moment for yourself. Relax. I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, Namaste.